God. He crashed the car. I will not shoot you. Get on the ground. Hey, I won't shoot you. Hey. Taser deployed.
Stay back, ma'am.
Stay back.
Tackle him. Don't shoot me.
Tackle him.
Don't shoot me. Get on the ground. Shoot him. Put him in handcuffs. Don't shoot me. Help.
Nathan, the other one.
Dude. Again?
Dude. Come on. Do what I ask you. Do what I ask you. Put your hand behind your back and you won't get tased.
Relax.
Put your hand behind your back.
You're about to get tased again.
Nathan, just please do what I ask you to do. Please put your hand behind your back.
Come on. Please don't hurt anybody.